iPhone features that are hidden in plain sight. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka, and in today's tutorial, I will take you to iPhone features that are hidden. First, you can go ahead and open settings and tap on accessibility and then tap on the touch option there, and you will see two options. Tap on back tap and then go ahead and enable back tap for double tap and triple tap. Next, you can enable trackpad in your keypad. So when you are typing, simply press and hold the space bar to turn the keyboard into a trackpad so you can move the cursor precisely. Next, go ahead and customize by simply swiping down from the top right of your screen, and you will be led to your control center. Here, tap hold on it and you can add shortcuts for quick access to low-key features like screen recording, magnifier, or hearing. Once done, go ahead and open the Measure app for AR measurements, as your iPhone can measure real-world objects using augmented reality, perfect for quick furniture checks or room layouts. And next, you can scan documents with your Notes app. So open Notes app and then open the camera, or simply tap on the pin icon there and tap on the Scan Documents option to scan your documents to digitalize your papers instantly. And you can then go ahead and go back to your home screen and swipe left past all your home screens to access the app library. Here, pull down to search apps quickly in the search bar. Next, open Measure app again and then tap on the level option. The Measure app also includes a level to check if the surfaces are flat. It is great for hanging pictures perfectly. Next, open Settings and then tap on the Apps option and then tap on Phone. Here, navigate to silence unknown colors and toggle it on, and this will avoid spam calls from enabling. Next, open your keyboard and then hold the emoji or the globe icon on the keyboard and then tap on the one-handed layout, and this will switch your iPhone keyboard to one-handed mode. Next, open Settings again and then tap on Sounds and Haptics and then tap on Ringtone. Further, you will see the option for haptics. Tap on that and then tap on the Create New Vibration option. And with this, you can create personalized vibration for contacts. So these were 10 new features that iPhone has hidden and has plain sight. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.